Why you should use AI. The future starts now. Every generation has its revolution. For our ancestors, it was fire, the wheel, electricity, and the internet. For us, it's artificial intelligence. We are living in the first chapter of a new age. And the question is no longer, should we use AI? But how will we use it to build a better world? Even if you don't realize it, AI already touches your daily life. When your phone unlocks by recognizing your face, when Spotify suggests the perfect song, or when Google Maps finds the fastest route home, that's AI quietly working behind the scenes. AI doesn't just belong to scientists or tech giants, it's for everyone. It saves time, reduces stress, and helps you focus on what truly matters. Some fear that AI will take away creativity, but it actually expands it. A digital artist can use AI to generate concepts in seconds. A writer can brainstorm stories or translate ideas instantly. A student can turn complex research into simple summaries. AI removes the technical barriers, letting human imagination flow freely. It doesn't replace creativity. It amplifies it. Imagine waking up in 2030. Your AI assistant has already checked the weather, planned your route, brewed your coffee, and organized your schedule. Your home knows your routine, your car drives you safely to work, and your wearable device tracks your health in real time. These tools make life smoother, giving you more hours to spend on family, hobbies, and personal growth. That's not science fiction, it's the near future. Education is being transformed. In the past, everyone learned at the same pace, but AI can personalize education, adapting to your learning style, strengths, and interests. A child in a remote village can access world-class lessons through an AI tutor. A teenager can learn coding, art, or science at their own speed. Knowledge will no longer depend on where you live, only on your curiosity. AI is saving lives every single day. From early cancer detection to robotic surgery and mental health support, AI is revolutionizing medicine. Doctors can analyze thousands of cases in seconds, finding patterns no human eye could see. AI-powered devices track heart rates, sleep, and stress, giving people control over their health. In the future, prevention will replace treatment, and that's the power of intelligence combined with compassion. The workplace of tomorrow will look nothing like today. AI will handle repetitive tasks, data entry, scheduling, analysis, freeing humans to focus on creativity, strategy, and innovation. It's not about losing jobs, it's about evolving them. The most successful people of the future will be those who know how to use AI as a partner, not a competitor. Just as computers once replaced typewriters, AI will replace routine, not relevance. AI isn't only about gadgets, it's about saving our planet. Smart grids reduce energy waste. AI models predict weather patterns, track deforestation, and help farmers use fewer resources. With intelligent systems, we can build a cleaner, more sustainable world. One decision, one algorithm, one idea at a time. Technology alone doesn't define our future, our values do. AI learns from us, from our data, our actions, our words. So it's up to humanity to guide it wisely. We must teach AI empathy, fairness, and ethics, because the smarter our machines become, the more important our humanity will be. AI should not make us less human. It should help us become more human. The best time to understand AI was yesterday. The next best time is now. Learn how to use AI tools, from writing assistants to image generators and productivity apps. Let them speed up your work, spark new ideas, and open doors you didn't know existed. Those who embrace AI today will shape the world tomorrow. It's not about replacing yourself, it's about reinventing yourself. By 2050, humans and AI will work side by side in ways we can hardly imagine. Doctors will have AI co-pilots. Artists will paint with algorithms. Teachers will teach with data-driven insight. The future isn't man versus machine. It's man with machine. Together we'll build smarter cities, healthier societies, and a fairer world. AI is not the end of human progress. It's the next chapter. It will challenge us, inspire us, and push us to evolve. The tools are here. The choice is ours. Join the vision. Learn, create, and explore the future with us. because the world of tomorrow is being written today.